everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vetri Otu and I'm the CEO of Victory Cakes Nigeria. On this channel I share videos on cakes, cake business. I also share videos of food. I worked with a food company for 5 years. I share my wealth of experience. I also share videos on how you can create digital products from what you know, how you can monetize your knowledge. If you're a beginner baker, then this should be your plug because I share content mostly for beginners and how to guide you on your baking journey. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Okay, so today we will be learning how to make crispy, yummy Nigerian peanuts. We eat a lot of peanuts, nuts, actually cashew nuts, groundnuts. So I thought of a way, to make it more appetizing, and that's how I came up with this beautiful recipe. I've given it out to lots of people, and they actually love it. So you can eat peanuts with a variety of things. You can eat it with your fruits, banana. You can have it with your smoothies. You can eat it with oats. Anything you want to do with it, but it's so nice. It's lovely. You will love it. So try out this recipe, and please drop a comment in the comment section and share with your friends. I'm sure there are lots of people who would want to learn how to make peanuts. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. The ingredients include egg, groundnuts, milk, flour, sugar, cinnamon powder, vanilla, flavor, salt, and baking powder. You would also need 2 empty bowls. First, turn in your sugar into the egg. And add vanilla flavor. Please note that the full recipe is in the description box below. Mix thoroughly. As you can see, it's properly mixed now. Then in your empty bowl, add your flour. Baking powder. Also add salt and your cinnamon powder. Add your milk. And mix it thoroughly. As you can see, it's properly mixed. Bring the second bowl and add the groundnuts inside. Then turn in a little of the egg mixture and swirl the bowl. Keep rotating until it is properly mixed. Then you add a little bit of the flour mixture into it and keep rotating the bowl until it's mixed. Turn in a little bit of the egg mixture again. Rotate the bowl. Turn in the flour mixture. You keep repeating this process until the groundnuts are properly coated. If any of the groundnuts stick together, separate them and keep repeating the process. Keep rotating the bowl. Separate any groundnut that is sticking together. You keep repeating this process until you've turned in all the egg mixture. Nuts are properly coated. When the groundnuts are properly coated, it will look this way. Turn it into a sieve and sieve out the excess flour mixture. Then you're ready to fry. Fry in hot oil until your peanut is golden brown. Voila! Your crispy, yummy peanut is ready. It looks so beautiful, amazing. This is so yummy. Remove your peanut from the oil in a sieve. Allow to cool, and then your peanut is ready to eat. If this video was helpful, if you enjoyed the recipe, kindly like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn your notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. If there's any video you would love me to create, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.